Lately, I've been winning battles left and right. But even winners can get wounded in the fight. And people say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years. But they don't see inside of me, I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down.
Binebenta. Umisip ng kakaibang diskarte na di lang magpapaangat sa inyong negosyo, kundi magdadala rin ng garantisa.
Nag-ano, iikat mo ulit. Yan. Mahina lang, kuya? Mahina lang? O okay lang? Yan, habang wala kami ginagawa.
They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child.
Alam mo minsan, kailangan mo lang magpanggap na kaya mo at malakas ka. Hanggang sa dumating yung panahon na hindi mo na mamalayan na hindi ka na pala nagpapanggap. Sabi nga nila, fake it till you make it.
Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams. Achieving your dream takes hard work, dedication, and perseverance. You can do this. Have faith in your abilities and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Create a plan and stick to it. Don't forget to celebrate your successes. This will help you stay motivated and remind yourself that you're on the right track. There will be times when you want to give up, but if you keep going, you will eventually reach your dreams.
Sometimes, the best thing you can do is not think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsess. Just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best.
Malayo ka pa, please.
Kumusta? Muntik mo ng sukuan, no? Pero, tingnan mo, heto ka pa rin. Nagpapatuloy, sumusubok at ibinubuhos ang lahat ng kaya mo. Alam mo, bilib ako sa'yo. Kasi kahit sa mga panahong ubos ka na, kinukumbinsi mo pa rin ang sarili mo na tapusin ang nasimulan mo. Malay mo, bukas makalawa, ibigay na rin ng Diyos ang pagpapalang inaasam-asam mo. Basta tiwala ka lang sa kanyang plano at tandaang may mga naniniwalang kakayanin mo. Konti pa, konti na lang.
Alam mo, naniniwala ako na darating din yung araw na madadala mo ang sarili mo sa buhay na gusto mo. At ang maganda dito, hindi lang ikaw, kundi kasama pati ang mga mahal mo sa buhay.